Hello and welcome. Today I want to share how I make mini meringue tart with jam filling. And these are all the ingredients you'll need, and I just want to share that I'm using a baking soda without aluminum. This one is aluminum free. Just a heads up because most of them do contain aluminum. You will need 3 eggs and 2 egg yolk. One and a half cups of sugar. 450 grams of butter, room temperature. Mix it until you get one even batter without any clumps. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda. Add 1 cup of flour and start mixing until even batter. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla if you like. Now I'll remove my whisk head and put a dough hook. And now I'll be adding flour as much as I need to reach this soft dough structure, but it won't be sticking to my hands anymore. Here you can see the dough is very soft, but it's not sticking to my hands. That's what you need. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. I'm brushing some melted butter on the tart molds. And I'll be using about 18 grams of dough per cookie, just to be more precise. Spread the dough evenly in the tart mold. Bake them for 18 minutes at 375 degrees. Now I'll be making meringue cream. You'll need 60 grams of water. Add 150 grams of sugar. Mix it until the sugar dissolves completely and then stop mixing. After about 5 minutes, the temperature should be at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. But if you don't have food thermometer, you can also get a fork and blow. And if you get bubbles, that means the syrup is ready. Turn off the heat and let it cool off a little bit. Get 80 grams of egg white. Mix it with the mixer until you get a white bubbly paste. Add a pinch of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Mix it with the mixer until you get stiff peaks. Now I'll be adding my sugar syrup by a little bit and mixing while adding because I don't want my egg whites to cook. When you finish adding all the syrup, mix it for maybe 3-5 minutes to cool off the cream. I'll store my cream for another 30 minutes in refrigerator to let it cool off completely. I'll be using this tip with bridges to decorate the tarts. Here you can use any jam you like. I'm using berry jam. And this is definitely my favorite part, decorating the tarts with meringue cream. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.